Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
मणिपुरात बेकायदेशीर कारवायांनी या संघटनेचो हात आसा. देखून केंद्रान संघटनेचेर बंदी घाल्या. फाटली 2 दशकां मणिपूर पुलीस नोंगथोंगबाम इंगोचो सोद घेताले. इंगो गोंयांत आशिल्ल्याची म्हायती मणिपूर पुलिशेन क्रायम ब्रांचीक दिल्ली. हे म्हायती प्रमाण क्रायम ब्रांचीन सांपळो रचून ताका धरलो.
Acting upon some specific information received from the Manipur Police, Goa Crime Branch had successfully apprehended an insurgent who was wanted by Manipur Police for almost 2 decades. That hardcore insurgent is identified as Nongthongbam Ingo alias Krishna alias Lal. He was involved in many anti-national activities for last 2 decades and Manipur Police was behind him, but he was evading arrest. Goa Crime Branch, after receiving information from Manipur Police and acting on the basis of human intelligence and technical intelligence, apprehended that person from Konkani. He had come couple of days ago into the state of Goa by train and he was hiding in Konkani. Later, Goa Crime Branch handed over the custody of that notorious insurgent to the Manipur Police, who has been taken to Manipur now. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.